Though the government pushed through the Lokpal bill in the Lok Sabha by a voice vote, the government's victory is incomplete as the bill that would grant the Lokpal constitutional status was not passed due to the lack of a two-thirds majority. Now the Congress is likely to issue a show-cause notice to the missing MPs.
This walkout by Samajwadi Party and BSP leaders at the fag end of the 10-hour Lokpal debate should have ensured the government's move to make Lokpal a constitutional body was a piece of cake. But it was not to be.
The required number is not there. The required number should be 50% of the total and two-thirds of the present and voting. 50% of the total is not there. It is 247, it should be 273. Clause 2 does not become part of the bill.
Somewhere in these few moments, the government's floor strategy fell apart.
You didn't have the number.
See, though we didn't have the numbers, since the standing committee, BJP, while giving the dissenting note, said that they will support the government's move for the giving consensus status to the Lokpal. Since, therefore, I am disappointed. It is actually what BJP has done is totally a turnaround.
Sources say at least 16 MPs were missing at the time the constitutional amendment bill was put to vote, and show-cause notices will soon be issued to the missing congressmen. Sources add as many as 5 missing MPs belong to the Trinamool Congress.
We had promised a Lokpal, and a Lokpal bill has been passed. A statutory Lokpal at least has been established. This is not a question of poor floor management. It's a question of understanding the mathematics.
The government is still trying to understand where the math went wrong.
The lobbies are closed. After that, you always find a good number of MPs are standing out. So you don't know that. Maybe more than 25 members were standing out. So immediately you can't rush to those conclusions.
The BJP claiming the government's failure to ensure Lokpal was to be a constitutional body was an indicator of the mandate of the people.
जो 273 यूपीए का नंबर होना चाहिए था और बाहर से जो उनको समर्थन था वो भी नहीं मिल पाया और गैर कांग्रेसी सभी पार्टियां मिल गए और 273 छोड़िए वो संविधान संशोधन पारित नहीं कर पाए.
As a result of which, the BJP says the UPA has lost its right to govern.
इस सरकार को नैतिक आधार पर इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए. डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह को अपने पद पर बने रहने का अब कोई अधिकार नहीं.
The Congress will go back to the drawing board to ascertain what exactly went wrong late Tuesday night, to understand better how it can improvise its floor strategy for the Rajya Sabha, where it already stares at certain disadvantage when numbers are concerned. Bureau Report, Times Now.